What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what the name of the video is. So it's finally time. John Jones. Hey, man. Somebody gonna be able to win. Somebody is going to be able to win an amazing car, man. This is an amazing ride. And that's what this video is about. Give the details, what you need to do, and to tell y'all the website is up right now. I'm gonna debut it. It's still under construction, which you're gonna see. I only have 2 pages on it that I've done, but I went ahead and did the contest page, so you know we can get the contest on the way. And yeah, man, I'm gonna go over everything, cause somebody, one lucky person, gonna be able to win, and it's gonna be only 250 entries. So I'm gonna give y'all the details on how to enter, what to do, where to go, all that good stuff. So I'm finna open this joker up and we're gonna crank it up and get into it. Alright, here we go. AC blowing in there. Cut that off. AC works for the ones that don't know. Cut that cold AC out. Good car, man. Good main car. Somebody gonna be able to win this car, man. Somebody gonna take this home. Bad machine. Alright, so y'all just heard it running. So, first and foremost, man, the website is up. Like I said, browncoatgang.com is the site, man. browncoatgang.com, man. All one word. I got it on the screen right now. Y'all make sure y'all check it out. It's in the description too if you want to click and go straight to the site. But browncoatgang.com, man, that's gonna be the site, man. We're gonna have everything on there. Merchandise, gonna be some exclusive videos sometime. It's gonna be just the hub, man, for the Brown Coat Gang, for the real ones and whatever. So I got that. I'm working on it. It's under construction, but I ain't want to have people keep waiting, cause everybody keep asking when I'm gonna launch so you can win this car. So it's live. Go to the site, click the contest tab. If you're on your mobile device, it's mobile. We got a mobile device, mobile friendly website too. So click contest. So listen closely. I'm gonna tell y'all how, even though everything is on there where you can read it. But on there, you can either pay through Cash App or PayPal. Only if you need to use something other than that, like Zelle or something, you will have to email me. JMalcom@browncoatgang.com. So make note of that email, jmalcom@browncoatgang.com, man. You email me if you need to use some other kind of payment. But $100 entry, right? 250 spots. So I'm gonna give somebody a chance to win this car, man. Y'all know, if y'all follow the channel, it's a great car. If you don't follow the channel and you maybe found the website or something, then here, like, this your chance. It ain't all limited to a certain person, but go to the website. But I'm gonna tell y'all, on the website you will find a QR code for Cash App and a QR code for PayPal. So it'd probably be best if you check it out from either a computer or somebody else's phone, so you can scan the QR code. Because if you scan the QR code, you're gonna make sure the money goes where it's supposed to go. Because you don't want to miskey something, mistype something, that ain't nothing I can do about it. So after you found your spot, and I got a list up there, 1 through 250. So the list will be updated all throughout the day. So you'll be able to see what spot you want. You can buy as many spots as you want. So after the list is filled, I will be doing the drawing. So before we get to the drawing, once you paid, you need to go back to my website. You need to go back to browncoatgang.com, go to the contest tab, and you'll find a contact form. A contact form at the bottom of the page where you can enter your name, your email, and a message. So you need to make sure you put your real name, first and last name, put your email, and then put what number you want in the message. And that will go directly to me, and I have that on file. So if you're chosen or selected, then I know how to contact you. I know where to email you. I will contact you through email. So after the contest ends, you got to make sure, man, you keeping a check on your email and watching the video, because the way I'm going to choose the winner is doing the old school way. I'll be doing actual paper tickets, so that keeps confusion down. So what I'll be doing once it's filled, I'm going to go to the store and I will be live streaming. Me and wife will be live streaming as I purchase the tickets, so everybody gonna see everything in real time. As I purchase the tickets, man, I will tear off 1 through 250, and we will put them in my racing helmet, shake them up, and one of my kids will pick a ticket. Whoever's number is chosen, they're gonna win the car. Now the winner is responsible for pickup. You are responsible for pickup. The car is located in Georgia. I discuss further details with whoever the winner is. The car is located in Georgia, so just keep in mind, if you win, I hope you'll be able to pick this car up or arrange to have it picked up and stuff. Car. I give a person 30 days to have this car picked up, man. You got 30 days after you win, pick the car up, because I can't just be storing and all that. Car is titled, clean title and all that. No mechanical issues. Y'all know, I'm gonna give y'all the details on it. It's a turbo 6.0, forged bottom end, H-beam rods, all that good stuff. It has a VS Gen3 7875 billet turbo on it. Really don't have a lot of miles. It's not even 2,000 or 3,000 miles on that turbo. We have a Huron Speed T3 AC kit on here. Intercooled. The AC works super cold, ice cold AC. Hot heat. Got sliding and drill rotors and stuff all the way around. Y'all see I already got the 15s on, so it already been clearance to take 15-inch wheels. Car will come with the 18s too, a set of 18 factory wheels. If you don't know what it look like with it, go look at my older videos and you'll see they some nice wheels. I just got the radials on right now. Car will also come with the radials and race wheels and front runners. It'll come with these LEDs up front, the Riley fans up front. We got Motion Racework CO2 system on the car, TNT fabrication, 8.8 rear end, Dutchman 31 spline axles. It's a 355 gear, Showtime transmission TH400, reverse manual valve body, with the trans brake. We have a leash electronics, boost controller to control the boost and all that. What else? Bluetooth radio, nice sound system in it, nice speakers. It's just interior speakers, but they sound real nice. What else we got? Oh, BMI torque arm. We got Viking double adjustable custom valve shocks on all 4 corners, which I just put on. Y'all know I put them on. I ain't even drove the car like that. And it got a BMR K member in it, tubular K member. Man, it's a lot, man. It's a lot. B&M Quicksilver. I hope that alarm don't go off. I just pulled it though. But it got the B&M shifter in it. Like I said, reverse manual valve body. Man, it's ready to roll. Ready to roll. You can put your kids in it. T-tops don't leak, none of that stuff. Put your kids in it. You can drive this car anywhere. If you don't believe me or you ain't followed this car, go look at my videos. You can drive this car anywhere dependably. You don't have to worry about nothing. Just let y'all know what level it's on. You can, if your daily driver quits on you, you can hop in this car and you can drive it daily. I promise you, it's not It's not super bad on gas and stuff. So it's a great tune on it. It's tuned for pump gas, 93. You can put 93 in it right now. Don't put nothing other than 93, but 93 octane. This car will run in the nines on 93 octane. Nines in the quarter mile on 93 pump gas. So you can pull up at the pump, drive your car there, bust off a 9, come back home. I have never broken this car. Never broke nothing in the engine. Nothing, man. They never gave me no problems. It's a great car, man. It's just time for a new home, so we're gonna let somebody win it. I love to see one of the BCG, one of my BCG fam win this car, man, and enjoy it. And you know what I'm saying, start your channel. If you ain't got a channel, man, this would be a great car for you to start your YouTube journey or social media journey with too, or just to have fun, man. If you wanna start getting into racing and you wanna turn it into something faster, you can do that. Cause it's a full weight car. You can take the weight out of it, and this joker will fly. Cause y'all know I never turned it, well, I don't say never, but I never turned it up on video to the max. But like I said, the car will go faster than what I've shown on video. The car will go faster. Definitely will go faster. So, you know, it's a great car, man, and somebody gonna get a great home. And like I said, I'm gonna give it up to 30 days to fill these slots, man. Hopefully we do it before then. But I got a timer on my website. The timer is not accurate right now. It's gonna reset at 12 tonight, and it'll show 30 days. So go ahead and get your spot, cause usually I ain't done this but one time, and with Cheapskate, and they filled up pretty quick. When I go to all the platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and all that, they probably gonna get to going pretty fast, man. So here's your chance to win. Like I said, the website is live. That's all the details on the car. Like I said, if you don't have Cash App or PayPal, contact me at JMalcom at browncoatgang.com. Send me an email, and I can accept Zelle, Facebook Pay, or something like that. Anything else, but get your spots. You can get more spots, and so make sure you notify me and let me know what number you got. Fill out that contact form, but all the information is on the contest tab on my site. So make sure you fill out that form. If you forget to fill out that form, email me at jmalcom at browncoatgang.com, and make sure you let me know what spot and your name and a good contact email. Cause if you win, and like I said, man, it's just like anything. It's a contest. If you win, I'm gonna give you up to 2 weeks to claim your prize, cause I'm gonna notify immediately. I hope you see the video, but everybody should be watching. I'm gonna give you 2 weeks up to 2 weeks to claim your prize, and you know, say, hey, I got your email. That's what I mean. And after that, then you got 30 days to arrange a pickup, and that's how we're gonna do it, man. Just trying to be clear with everything with everybody. Shit, come with 2 sets of wheels, gonna be ready to go. But yeah, that's it, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.